Here we are, it's me, my mom,
and our boy.
we're currently on our way to go skydiving.
I'm excited, a little nervous, but super excited.
I'm excited, it'll be fun. A little nervous, stomach's starting to turn.
Super pumped, this is the first time for all of us. Let's see how it goes. We didn't die, we're back in the car. It was awesome. How was it?
Amazing. There was parts I was like, I don't even feel like I'm falling right now. You just felt like you were kind of sitting. You're just kind of here in the air.
I'm hurling through the sky.
Flying the parachute was so sick. I was just like yank really hard on one side, really hard on the other side.
You're
and I was
more
getting
than
it to go like almost upside down.
I was getting dizzy just spinning. I was like, okay.
They like dive in. Scariest part was going up in the plane. Like, it's just so shaky. Holy cow. Yeah, this is really pretty.
It was beautiful once you keep climbing. It's amazing.
Once the parachute was open, I felt like we were so low because we were so much lower than where we jumped from. Then you look down at the cars and they're still like...
Still puny, I know. I couldn't find you until you guys were on the ground because I was falling after. My heart fell a little bit when you were sitting on the edge. Eric was just kind of up there and he was out. Go Evelyn! I got nervous for you.
There, I felt like my shoes were gonna fly off.
Your legs are like flapping in the wind.
In the air it seems longer, and then like on the ground I'm like, it's over already.
I'd do it again. It's a little expensive, but like that was so crazy that like it'd be worth it to do it again in like 10 years or something.